Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I thought it would be fun to just like bring you along my day because I got a lot to do today. I gotta go to the gym. I might get my oil change today. I don't know if I have time. I have to go to Target and I have to go take pictures for my little cousin's basketball team. So we got a lot to do today by 4:30. So let's go.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Yeah, I just left the gym. Now I'm about to go. Let's see. I need to get gas, and since I'm already out this way, I might as well hit Target real quick. It's 12:08. Okay, so I'm gonna get gas, go to Target, and get my oil change because they're literally right down the street from each other. So that's what I'm gonna do. Go back home, shower, and then what's it called? Then get ready to go take the pictures. All right, just came from Target. I got some more cotton rounds because I'm about to run out. I literally have like 4 left, and then I got 2 of the Mayo oils. They finally had them in stock in Target. They're out of stock for like weeks, since like I want to say after Christmas they were out of stock for majority of January, which was annoying, but I was able to find 2, so I snatched them up. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my oil change, and I'm doing pretty good on time because it's only, let's see, 12:34, which is good. So I'm gonna get my oil change because that kind of take a minute. I must probably stop and give you some food because I only ate this. This was my breakfast. So I still have a couple more in there, so I might like eat those while I'm getting my oil change, but like I'm gonna eat like actual food. So yeah. I'm back home. I went to Chipotle after I got my oil change, and then now I'm about to get in the shower and then make sure that my battery is charged for my camera and edit this video while I'm waiting. So alright, so I'm on my way to go take pictures. I have my camera and my tripod with me. I will talk to you when I get there. Hey guys, I'm back from taking pictures. I didn't get a chance to film because when I got there, it was already about to start like their practice. So I just took those, and then I didn't really have time to film. So I think I'm gonna end it up here. This vlog was, or this video, I wouldn't say vlog. This video is pretty short, but they'll get longer once I start traveling more and doing more. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want next. And yeah, see you soon.